Hi guys, in this lecture we will look at various MySQL constraints. Constraints are basically the conditions which you can add to a value which is being added to a field or a column of a table. Now let's look at various important constraints. The first one is not null, and it basically makes sure that the value which you are adding to a column of a table is not null. That is, it has to have a value and it cannot be just null. That is empty. The second one is unique, and this basically ensures that the value which is being added to a column is unique amongst all the rows of a table. Now we could have used unique for employee ID, because employee ID we know is going to be unique. That is, each and every employee is going to have an employee ID which will not be the same as any other employee. So we could have used unique constraint for employee ID column of table employees. The third one is primary key, which is basically making sure that the above two conditions, that is not null and unique, are handled together. So when you put a constraint primary key, it will make sure that the not null and unique are satisfied. The fourth one is check, and this can be basically used when you want to make sure that you want to add a custom condition to a field or a column of a table. Now say for example, if you want to make sure that the hourly pay of any employee should not be less than $9, then in that case you can add the check, like check, and within brackets you can add hourly pay greater than 9. Now when you do that, and when someone tries to insert a new employee whose hourly pay is less than 9, then in that case that insert won't be successful, because this check will stop it and say that we only accept employees in the table where the hourly pay is greater than 9. And the last one is default, which is basically doing the work of adding a default value in case no value has been specified for a field or a column during insert. Now say for example, if you want to make the default hourly pay to $10 in case the hourly pay is not specified, right? So if you try to make an insert without hourly pay and you have already added a default value of 10, so in that case that employee will be defaulted to hourly pay of $10. I hope the constraints conditions is clearer to you now. Thank you.